All right, outside today, it is steamy. It is definitely a steamy first Thursday of June. And I'll say this, we've got a chance of some rain, and we also have a tropical cyclone developing over my shoulder. Let's first show you a beautiful sunrise over Calaveras Lake on this Thursday. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that color. A lot of high clouds and then the low clouds ushered in. In fact, it looked like rain, a couple of sprinkles, and there were some showers in the area, but look at those clouds just percolating out there over Calaveras Lake. That shows you that the high is not very strong. When we have that cap of warm air aloft, you really don't see that vertical build on cloud cover. 94, north and northeast winds right now at about 7 miles an hour, and the dew point in the mid-60s. It's been there. You're feeling that humidity, but it's not translating into a whole lot of rain current hour. Statewide, you'll see some downpours just north of Kerrville, up around Sonora right now. But look at how active the radar was earlier. We had an outflow boundary from North Texas still active as we got into the morning hours, and now it's died out. You'll notice that there were some pretty good rain showers. In fact, had a KENS 5 viewer email in from Spring Branch 1.5 inches of rain. So you can see where it fell near Bulverde, Spring Branch, Canyon Lake, and New Braunfels, but then fizzled out. They just kind of bubbled up right there across northern Bexar County, southern Kendall, and parts of Comal County. And heading through the evening, can't rule it out, but only a 20 to now 10% chance through about 6 or 7 p.m. We'll drop the rain chance overnight, but as we get into Friday morning, now here come the clouds and maybe a sprinkle or two. All right, here's the front. The front's now going stationary. I don't know that it gets much farther south than where you see it right now because it's expected to retreat as a warm front and help further destabilize things. And with decent humidity in place, we could get a shower or two or even a thunderstorm on Friday. So notice that, again, we're not alone on mid-60s. I mean, in every direction, we've got high dew points that really aren't going to change much. Even with this front in the area, we're not expecting it to move through, and it certainly isn't a strong front. So let's take a look at future radar for Friday. It'll be quiet early, maybe a sprinkle, nothing measurable. But look at the line that forms around 6 p.m., drops down into the city by 7:30, and then rains itself out to our south along the coast. And you can even see another secondary impulse after midnight Friday night. Unfortunately, it's not falling where we really need this rain. Updated drought report today, and you'll see that we need this rain west of the city. That's where exceptional drought is. This next rain chance is really from San Antonio along the I-10 corridor east. All right, 7-day forecast. Notice that tomorrow's rain chance will be it for a while. We'll hit 95 on Friday. Then as the high strengthens this weekend, 97 to 99 for the second half of the weekend, and then nothing but triple digits waiting for us next week. 100 to 101 to 102 by this time next week. So this first full week of June, the heat, the heat is on. That sounds like a meteorological term. Ooh.